Today I hiked the Brown Mountain Trail in Shenandoah National Park. Here we are shortly after starting the hike, coming up to a trail junction. I'm going to go right on the Brown Mountain Trail. If you go left, take the Rocky Mountain Run Trail that then connects to the Big Run Portal Trail and back to the Brown Mountain Trail to the west. Going left there requires a number of stream crossings along the way. The Brown Mountain Trail first goes over Rocky Mountain and then over Brown Mountain before connecting back to the Big Run Portal Trail. And here's the first viewpoint from Rocky Mountain. See, it's very cloudy and windy today, but really warm for January. Very nice day for a hike. This area burned in 2016 in what was the second largest fire in Shenandoah National Park history. You notice along the side of the trail there's some burnt remains of old trees here, and there's lots of new tree growth, young growth throughout this area. And here to the right we have some of those charred remains from the fire. And here we are on the return trip. So this hike I did an out and back. So I took the Brown Mountain Trail about 3 miles in and then came back along the same route. Here we're approaching that same viewpoint from Rocky Mountain that we looked at earlier. And here we are back at the trail junction almost finished with the hike. And here's some pictures from the hike. Thanks for watching.